Hello everyone, my name is Darjem Scarlan and I'm from BSIT3 Block E. So in event-driven programming, we were tasked to develop a distance calculator in a project in BBNet Windows Form application. So ang kailangan natin sa form na yon is a text box, combo box, buttons, and labels. So sa combo box, ito yung laman niya. Meters per yard, inches to meters, and so on. So una natin gagawin, punta tayo ng Windows Form application. Simulan na natin. So the first thing that we're going to do is adjust natin to. Si form 1, napunta tayo ng properties. Sa may dito, disable natin yung control box. So i-post natin yan. So the next thing what we're going to do is appearance. So instead of form 1, lagyan natin dito distance calculator. There you go. The next thing is sa start position. Adjust natin yan. Center screen yan. Para pag in-start nyo dito, pilit na yan. So, let's try it. Yan lang. There you go. Pwede na tayo mag-start maglagay. So, the first one is text box. Hanapin nyo dito, text box. Go. Just lang. So, instead of 980, lagyan natin 20. Enter. Kumain nyo ang text. So, the next thing is label. Label, dito yan sa box. There you go. Next is button. And natin. The last one is combo box. Sabit lang natin. Baka dito sa may font, gawin natin 15 instead of 9. So the last one is button. Ulit for exit. Gawin lang natin yun dyan. Exit natin. Gawin natin screen. Palitan natin yung text ng X. Yung background color ng red. Sa web, tapos yung red. Yung for color, gawin yung white. Go. Just now. Double click. Okay dito. Gain ng application. Exit. Then let's try to run it. Check natin. Yun, gumagana. So the next thing what we're going to do is sisimulan na natin maglagay ng command. So dito, since i-check natin yan, lagyan muna natin ng laman to. So double click nyo tong form. So dito, lagyan mo dito, combo box 1 dot items dot add. So since existing na tong mga to, ito kasi yung mga kailangan natin and dito rin yung mga formula nila. For meters to yard, ito yung kailangan na formula. Sa inches to meters, ito yung kailangan na formula, and so on. So the first thing na what we're going to add is the meters to yard. So copy lang natin yan. Paste natin dito. Paste. Paste lang natin indentation. There you go. Since 5 yon, so copy paste na lang natin. There you go. Gawin lang natin yan sa rest. So since nalagay na natin, try natin i-run, tingnan natin kung malalagay sa may combo box natin. So from here, pag na-run natin yan, pag click ko to, there you go, nandito na sila. So click natin yan, sa may design, lagyan natin ng text to para hindi siya masyadong null tignan. Hintayin lang natin. Click nyo yan. punta kayo dito sa text, lagay nyo, select distance. Click enter, there you go. So sa button, double click nyo yan. Sorry. Pakita muna natin ito ng calculate. There you go. Dito, from here, click nyo yan. So dito natin i-check yung condition. So ang una natin gagawin, kunin muna natin yung user input. So since user input naman siya, nilalagay na lang natin yung na variable name niya is user input. So here, lagyan natin textbox1 text string. There you go. So i-check muna natin, i-validate muna natin if walang laman, ang command natin dito sa label 1 is please fill up all the required input. So else, yung next command niya is pag may laman naman, iraran natin kung anong formula yung kukunin niya. So let's start. So from here, if user input is not empty, there you go. And also combo box 1 that selected item is nothing, then if natin karan yun, so else lalagyan natin yung sa label 1, ang text niya dapat is please fill up all the required input. Yan, since wala siyang nilagay na laman. So para matry natin yan, lagyan lang natin yan dito. So lagyan natin dito not empty para matry lang natin yung command niya. So let's run it. Try natin. From here, pag-click nyo yan, since walang laman, ito yung ilalagay niya. So pag may laman naman, like this, also here, meron din not empty. So click na natin yan. From here, maglalagay tayo ng condition. So ang kailangan naman natin, dapat kapag ang user input is number, execute niya yan, or else kapag mga letter nilagay niya, magpo-prompt tayo ng warning. So let's go. So from here, if is numeric, lagyan natin dito is numeric. Lagyan natin dito yung user input. Then sa else, lagyan natin label 1.text equals to please enter a valid birth. So from here, try natin ulit a valid number. See? So natin. So from here, kapag naglagay tayo ng 2 inches to meters, sabihin niya a valid number. Or kapag letters naman, please enter a valid number. So okay na yun. Ang next thing na gagawin na natin is ika-calculate na natin yung i-display natin sa result. So from here, magdidim tayo ng result. So dim result is double equals to 0. Since dito natin i-store yung mako-compute niyang nasa text box and kung ano yung pipiliin niya sa combo box na formula. So the next thing that we're going to do is dim conversion. Dito natin i-store yun, yung may co-convert natin, tapos ilalagay natin sa result. So string equals to combo box. Kukunin natin sa combo box kung ano yung selected item. Combo box 1 that selected items that 2 to convert natin siya sa string. So there you go. Dito na natin itatry. So if yung selected item niya is equals to, from here, natin yan, kapag meters to yard, then execute ngayon conversion na for meters to yard, which is ito. So the next thing is else if, gawin lang natin yan for the rest. Gawin natin to, copy, paste. So instead of meters to yard, lagyan natin inches to meters. Paste lang natin yan, gawin natin to. Gawin natin yan, 3, 4, 5. So from here, miles to meters ang pangatlo. Centimeter to yards yung mga pang-apat. And the last one is miles to yard.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized
There we go.
by the sound.
Then, lalagyan na natin dito. So, if the conversion, so meaning, kapag yung selected item sa combo box is meters to yards, then ang iraran niya, ito, result is equals to CBDX. CBDX. It means convert to double. So, i-convert to double natin yung user input times doon, dito. So, ito yung formula ng meters to yard. So, from here, ayan, save lang natin. Copy, then paste it to all. There you go. So, ang papalitan na lang natin dito is yung formula. So, the second one is inches to meters, which is ito. So, the third one is ito, miles to meters. Bigyan natin yan. Please. Fourth one. And the last one is here. Ito yung formula ng miles to yard. So, save. So, let's check. Save natin. So, ang nangyari dito is user input, siya yung text box 1.trim. Ito yon, which is ito. So, ang mangyayari, i-check na muna. So, if user input is not empty and also combo box that selected item is not nothing, ibig sabihin may laman. So, iraran niya tong code na to. Or else, may iraran niya, please fill up all the required input since walang laman or kulang ng isa. So, kung alin man sa dalawa yung kulang doon, hindi niya iraran. At yung iraran yung condition is ito. So, i-record niya. Kapag meron naman, i-execute niya tong code na to. So, if is numeric. So, ibig sabihin, kapag yung si user, ang in-input niya is number, iraran niya tong code na to. Or else, kapag letters, symbols, or anything na hindi number, ito yung prompt niya. So, the next thing is, kapag nag-run naman, then i-check niya na dito kung ano yung sinelect niya dito sa combo box. So, kapag yung combo box, ang pinili niya is meters to yard, ang iraran niya itong formula na to, else ito, or else ito, or else ito. So, the next thing is, ilalagay na natin yung, i-display na natin yung result sa label. So, what we're going to do is, dito, label 1, that text equals to, dito, maglagay tayo ng string, result, space, and result. That to string. There you go. So, i-run natin. Check natin. So, pag walang laman, ang ilalagay dito is please fill up all the required input. There you go. So, kapag may laman naman, pero letter nilagay, please enter a valid number. So, kapag 1, ang meters to yard is kakalculate natin, i-display natin to. So, may error pa. Label 1.text. Lagyan natin yung dito. Lagyan natin. There you go. So, the next thing, kapag 2 meters to yard, 2,18722 inches, 0.058, miles to meters, 3,21828, centimeters to yard, 0.02. So, let's try it. Ito tayo ng meters to yard. Lagyan natin to 1. Check natin. Ito yung lalabas sa Google. So, kung tayo Google, meters to yard, Hindi natin dito meters. 3 yards. So, 1. Check natin. 1.09361. So, sa distance calculator natin, there you go. It's 3.28083. So, lagay din natin yan dito. Since naka round off, itong ating hindi. So, ito yung lalabas. So, overall, tama naman. So, my name is Darjen M. Escarlan and I'm from BSIT 3 Block E. Thank you.